Hello, family history writers, and welcome to this week's edition of Storylines. And this week we're trying out a new format, so let me know what you think. Today we are diving in to the topic of organizing creative chaos. We're going to explore how we can channel our creative energies into structured and productive outcomes. Last weekend, I found myself knee-deep in the chaos of my home office. Stacks of papers, forgotten coffee mugs, and yes, even a tangled of unused cables. And it was a decluttering day that was long overdue. And as I sorted through years of accumulated stuff, I couldn't help but draw parallels to a common writing challenge: organizing the sprawling and often chaotic mess of story ideas and research. Now, in my office, each piece of paper represented a task, a memory, or an unfinished project. Similarly, in family history storytelling, every snippet of dialogue, every ancestor trait, every life fact, every social historical fact can become scattered like the papers on our desk. And without a system, both environments, my office and your stories, can feel overwhelming and stifling. And this is when the power of a good outline comes into play. I'm going to talk a lot about outlines in the next few weeks. So just as I used folders, baskets and drawers to help categorize and file away my documents, creating an outline for a story helps categorize and structure your story elements. Now, story outlines offer clarity in storytelling by creating a very clear narrative structure, ensuring that every element supports the overall story flow. And this clarity acts as a roadmap for writers, helping navigate complex plots with ease. Furthermore, outlines can enhance your writing efficiency. They minimize the time spent revising by promoting a focused approach during that drafting phase. And with a solid outline, writers can streamline their process, leading to higher productivity levels. Now, building on the importance of outlines, there are some organizational techniques that can help to further clarify and streamline that writing process. Each method addresses unique creative needs, enhancing both your creativity and your organization in your writing journey. So for example, brainstorming. It will utilize mind maps to help you visually organize your ideas. And this can help you to see connections and generate some innovative concepts more effectively. You can use index cards. These allow you for flexible categorization of your thoughts and enable you to rearrange your ideas as needed. And this flexibility can be crucial during the drafting stage. Digital platforms like Scrivener help you to centralize your project tracking, making it easier to manage the various components of your writing project. And finally, story templates provide structure, ensuring that you have a clear story flow that supports your creative vision. Now, at our upcoming May retreat at the Tingamara Resort on the beautiful Vancouver Island, we're going to delve into techniques that are going to help you as writers to create a structured story outline. We're going to teach you how to sift through your creative clutter and identify the pieces essential to your story's backbone. Now, we're excited to meet at Tingamara. It is a beautiful, tranquil location on Vancouver Island, perfect for sparking creativity and focus. Now, this serene atmosphere is going to help you as writers to immerse yourselves deeply into the craft of outlining your family history story. So mark your calendars, May 6th to the 10th. This will provide us ample opportunity to engage in our writing journey without any distractions. Our retreat is going to be a mix of workshops and group discussions and one-on-one mentoring with myself. And you will also receive from me your own customized story outlining workbook. That's going to be your essential tool in writing your family history stories. Now, this experience will truly aid you in enhancing your outlining story skills by providing you very structured guidance. And this retreat is a prime opportunity to forge connections and share insights with your fellow writers. So I encourage you to join us for this transformative journey. Don't miss this chance to elevate your writing. Make sure you sign up today, and I'll be sure to leave the link below so you can do that. Now, by the end of my office cleanup, not only had I rediscovered my desk's surface, but I had also reacquainted myself with many valuable notes and ideas that I had forgotten. Similarly, when you attend our retreat coming up in May, you're going to learn to assemble your scattered ideas into a streamlined outline, giving you a story with a clear direction and a renewed purpose. If your writing process feels as cluttered as my messy office did, then you might need a story outline. And I hope that you'll join us for our story outlining retreat. We're going to help you transform your creative chaos into a neatly organized blueprint so that you can write with ease and clarity. Just like a well-organized office makes for a productive workspace, a well-structured outline makes for a compelling and cohesive story. So click the button below to learn all of the details. You'll be able to choose your room and save your spot to join us in May for our story outlining retreat. I want to thank you for joining me here today, and I will see you back here next week for another edition of Storylines.